fellas, so we're back again with another video here, and so this time I'm on the C5 with the top off, as you can see. I have the camera set to wind reduction mode, so hopefully it's not too problematic there. Like, I will say that the wind noise might potentially be an issue here, but I wanted to give you guys a different experience, so this is kind of a bit of a test run. So yeah, this is a pretty decent road here. There's some straightaways, some turns, so I'll probably just cut and paste whichever parts I actually like out of this. But yeah, I'm absorbing some sunlight, you know, finally getting out of that winter weather down here in Mexico, so should be a fun time. And traction will remain on for now, just because I'm not warmed up yet. But yeah, here we go. Got something interesting here. Unenterable, it seems, though. Yeah, I will admit the wind is kind of intense. However, I don't know, I'd just be trolling. I feel like this sort of back road would be good to have like a cruise on or something. Have some boys out. Shift. Got somebody doing something up here. That's a crazy time to choose to pass. Okay. Gears are real long on this guy. That looks like a fun place to walk in. Well, stop sign and a 90-degree turn, so I think you already know what's about to happen. much spin. So not too much driving left here, however, there is still something left to do. Well, that was fun. And I know we got one more Mexico straightaway up here. It's probably going to get pretty windy for this one, so I'm going to lean down a little bit. Got destroyed. This is probably the most sus time to do it, which is like when my alignment might be partially off, and also with this off. I don't know if the car actually gets stiffer when you have it on or not, but with just the open air right there, it feels definitely a little bit sussy. However, I don't know. It was a fun time either way. So I say now, the only thing left to do is to rev on this underpass, see what we can get out of that. I see this guy's got his indicator on, but I think his brake lights are just out. But anyway, I'm getting pretty close to exiting Mexico, so I'm probably gonna call this one here. Hopefully you guys had a good time watching this one and the wind noise isn't too bad. I definitely got like some good driving in here, but I'm not sure on the wind noise usability. But anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed this and you come back, like, subscribe, and hit that notification, and I'll see y'all in the next one.